Welcome back guys to our brand new tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up for Alto Pharmacy. Before I jump to the signing process, I want to tell you exactly what Alto Pharmacy is. Alto Pharmacy is a digital pharmacy that delivers prescription medication directly to patients. As you become a driver, you have one mission: just deliver the prescription to the customer door. Right now, let's get to the sign up process. What the requirement is to join Alto Pharmacy. Before you do anything, I want you to make sure Alto is available in your city. To do that, while you're in this page, I want you to scroll down until you find locations, and you're gonna click and it. Take a look of the list right here if Alto is available in your state or your area. If it's not, that means you weren't able to sign up for Alto unless you move to your state Alto is available. So I live in New York. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll down until I find New York. Okay, I find New York. Here there is two pickup location available in New York. One in the city is one in the metro. When you're here, you can see where the pickup location are. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in the GPS and see how far I'm gonna have to drive to go to the pickup location. If it's not worth it for you, if it's gonna be too far, after you don't do it. After checking, I see it's like 20-25 minutes, depending of the day, the traffic also. So yeah, let's get now to the sign up process. After we find out Alto is available in our state, one thing we want to do is the requirement. So in the same page right here, if you scroll down, you're gonna see to drive with Alto, you have to be at least 18 years old, a valid driver license, authorization to work in the United States, access to a reliable vehicle with climate control, insurance, and valid registrations. This is the type of thing you're gonna need. And I want to mention one thing is very important. They're gonna do a background check on you, so we're gonna get to this in a minute. So let's start the signing process right now. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go click and start driving. When you click and start driving, you're gonna see three openings area where they're hiring driver right now. So if you don't see your location here, don't worry, I'm gonna show you a trick to get higher even though you don't see your location right here. I live in Long Island in New York. I didn't see this right here. What I want you to do, I want you to go to Google and type Alto Pharmacy plus your location, and it's gonna come up here, and you're gonna click in it. It's gonna be like that. It's gonna give you a form here like this: delivery driver, part-time contractor, Long Island, New York. This is where I live. That depends of your location. It's gonna say delivery driver, full-time or part-time contractor, and your location, whatever location you're in. After you finish put all your information, you're gonna click continue, and after they're gonna shoot you a message to your cell phone. So you're gonna go ahead, open it, and click in the link, and that's the where you're gonna need to put your driver license, your insurance, and the vehicle registrations. We're gonna go ahead and do that right now. After you unload all your documents, it's gonna say unload complete. After 2 or 3 days, you're gonna receive a copy of your background check, and the next step, Alto gonna send you an agreement paper you need to sign. And after you sign up the agreement paper, you will receive a copy of your agreement paper. The next step right now is your orientation. Keep in mind all the document they're gonna send you, all the links gonna be found your email address. You're gonna receive a link to Zoom where they tell you to book your Zoom orientation. So you're gonna go ahead, choose whatever hour you feel like you're gonna be available for the Zoom orientation. When your Zoom is complete, they're gonna send you an email where you need to download all 5 apps you're gonna need to drive for Alto Pharmacy. Make sure you use your same name that you use in the sign up process. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.